How to create account in the Twitch app. If you want to use the Twitch application and wondering on how to create account on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Twitch application, just like this. Now to create account, simply tap on to sign up, just right here, select it. Now simply add your username, just like this, and tap on and add your password from right here. Now usernames must be between 4 and 25 characters. Now simply use between that character, just like that, and tap on to password and add your password. Tap on to date of birth. Now simply add your date of birth, just like this. And tap onto your phone number and add your phone number. And you can also use your email instead. And after that, simply tap on to sign up. After entering your verification code, and now we can see you have simply signed up into the Twitch app.
At times felt like some of their extremity
This is how you can create an account in this Twitch app. It is a very easy process, right? Now simply use your Twitch application. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.